Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of one of the biggest live TV streaming services in the US, DirecTV Stream. I'm going to walk you through what it is, why sports fans seriously care about this, how much it costs, the good and the bad, and a balanced conclusion on why it may be the best live sports subscription out there. And also 3 solid alternatives if this is not the right fit for you. So let's get started. DirecTV Stream is a live TV streaming service that lets you watch TV over the internet. No satellite dish, no cable box, just your internet connection and a compatible device like a smart TV, a phone, tablet, or streaming stick. It's actually the streaming revolution of traditional DirecTV, designed to replace cable but keep that familiar channel lineup That is live TV, local news, local stations, entertainment, and most importantly, sports. Unlike most streaming services that focus mostly on entertainment or on-demand shows, DirecTV Stream leans heavily into live TV, especially sports channels and regional sports networks. That's a big deal if you follow leagues like the NFL, the NBA, MLB, NHL, NCAA, and others. It aims to give you a cable-like experience with a great guide, also cloud DVR, multiple streams, and tons of channels, but delivered over the internet instead of through a dish or cable wires. And the service gives you a free trial as well, typically a few days to test it out before paying anything. So if you're someone who's cutting the cord but not willing to sacrifice live sports or local channels, this is one of the big contenders. So let's talk about the main features. Live TV with big channel lineups. DirecTV Stream offers multiple channel tiers, each with more content than the last. The packages include entertainment, there's choice, there's ultimate, and there's also premiere. Sport fans should also pay attention because the choice plan and above unlock national sport networks and many regional sport networks. More on why that's important in a minute. Now let's talk about sports proper. This is where DirecTV Stream shines for sport lovers. It includes ESPN, ESPN2, FS1, FS2, MLB Network, NBA TV, NHL Network, and also regional sport networks for local pro teams depending on your market. Many competitors don't include as many local sports channels, and that's a big reason serious sports fans choose DirecTV Stream. Unlimited cloud DVR. You get cloud DVR storage included so you can record games, events, shows, and watch later without losing recordings if you cancel. That's a luxury feature that many other services limit or charge extra for. Then there's multi-device streaming. You can stream on smartphones, on tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices like Roku and Fire TV. Plus, in-home you can watch on unlimited devices, and outside the house you can stream on a couple of devices at once. So this is great if your family has multiple viewers. Cable-like experience. From the traditional guide interface to the pause and rewind live TV, DirecTV Stream feels very much like cable, just without the physical cable. Some users love this familiarity. Now let us talk about the pricing. There are different packs. There's the genre packs that starts at just $19.99 per month, where you get the popular live TV channels that you want. And there's also the streaming TV packages that starts at $89.99 per month. What are the pros and cons of using DirecTV Stream? First, the pros. Strong sports lineup. Yeah, you can watch national and regional sports networks than most other live streaming providers. Also unlimited DVR. Record everything you want and keep it. There's also the cable-like experience. No long contracts, so there's month-to-month flexibility. And there's a multi-device support where you can stream on all your devices. How about the cons? Well, it's kind of pricey compared to many other alternatives. The regional sports availability also varies depending on your market. And if your internet connection is slow, the streaming quality may dip. So, should you get DirecTV Stream if sports are your priority? Here's the balanced truth. If you're a big live sports fan, especially someone who wants both national and local games in one place without juggling multiple apps, DirecTV Stream really stands out. The inclusion of regional sport networks, college sport channels, and major national channels in the choice tier makes it one of the most comprehensive sports streaming services that are available. So if sport access, DVR freedom, and cable-like experience matter most to you, then DirecTV Stream really delivers. And that's it on the review of DirecTV Stream. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, and Fubo TV. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.